So lo mfana uthi kanjani because President Zuma went to meet no Queen Elizabeth. So ngifuna ukuqondisa lento, and I said it before, it's not for the first time, ukuthi President Zuma ukuthi azazobe ipresident wa electwa abantu be-ANC. They made him a president of the ANC. After 2 years, they made him a president of the country. So then it becomes confusing then when a person comes and say, President Zuma wahamba waya Queen Elizabeth, as if President Zuma was acting in silo. President Zuma was not, because it was the mandate of the ANC to make sure Uguti President Zuma goes to Britain. That was what was happening during the time. But now President Zuma is the president of the MK party. He is doing as he please. He is not accountable to the ANC. They captured ANC. So that's why people like this boy will come here and tell you lies as if they know nothing. Whenever you are, even Julius Malema, the one that he is supporting right now, when he was in the ANC, he was patriotic. As soon as he had his own party, which is the EFF, is he patriotic now? He's not. He's not patriotic. That's why he says MK party is his enemy number one. Because he's changed, he's flipped. So it's very misleading of boys like this one or people like this boy. Ukuthi beze la ku social media bezoqamba amanga. Into abangeke baze bayibheke ngalutho, angeke ayibheke lento ayikhulumayo. But mina ngayibheka ukuthi uZuma was serving under the ANC at the time. So he was accountable to the leadership of the ANC, to the NEC. So if ANC isebenza nabantu abaphuma endleleni, uZuma had to abide by that because he agreed ukuthi uzoba president ANC before he is president of the country. So with MK party is meeting Traore and above Vladimir Putin because he is no longer under Amakamandele ANC. He's free. So I hate it when these people from the party Sniper, they come here and spread propaganda. He's a small boy, by the way. That's why ukazela ukuthi abantu bachazwa mangakhe. He's a small boy. Kancane kancane he will learn ukuthi lento that is advocating for is nonsense.